The thing I liked about the Flexitank is no consents.
It's only a fraction of the cost to any other holding facility you need for effluent.
Just basically sand pad, get it dead level and roll it out.
One of the most important things with the Flexitank is the safety. There's no chance of any kids falling into it or staff falling straight into it.
So much easier. If it's raining, Alex just pops out and changes one tap over and the other one the other way, and it goes into the tank, or if it's fine, the other way, and it goes out onto the farm.
The main feature would be the compliance with odour and covering. It's great.
The after-sales service has been great. Anton's been here to catch up with us every few months and see how it's going, and it's been awesome.
Any questions, they're always answered, and I think it was within 30 minutes we had it up and running.
It was just a matter of finishing the bed and rolling it out and connecting it up.
And it was so easy to install.
Anton's come and inspected the pad while we've been building it and make sure we're on the right track, and he's helped us get it all set up.